After the Bihar poll drub, existential crisis for Congress is intensifying. Kapil Sibal is the latest to join battery of netas pointing fingers at Gandhis for the humiliating defeat in Bihar polls. In his unfiltered critique of the Congress leadership, Sibal said that the party hasn't introspected for the last 6 years and maybe the high command thinks all's well. He asserts that Congress is not the effective alternative anymore. The scathing attack comes the day after ally RJD slammed Congress left, right and centre for sinking Mahagathbandhan in the recently concluded polls. But despite this, Darbaris in the party continue to shield the dynasts, refusing to ensure accountability.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
All right, let's go back to our guests. Ashutosh Mishra, Kapil Sibal says, let's introspect. Let's understand why there is a downfall for the Congress party. And then you have Ashok Gehlot asking Kapil Sibal to not raise these issues publicly. He says, हमने सोनिया गांधी की लीडरशिप में बेहतर किया है, कई सारे क्राइसिस थे जिसको हमने ओवरकम किया है. Kapil Sibal is wanting to save the party. Is Ashok Gehlot trying to save dynasty and just one parivar?
So, Swati, what is obvious here is that Congress is a party where such discussions and exchange of ideas have been there even 100 years ago. Gandhi, Nehru, Bose, Sardar Patel, there were different points of views. The dialogue which is going on among the congressmen, maybe the BJP doesn't understand it because their internal discussions are a taboo and Pradhanji is always
very interesting, sir. You are making this comment today, only today when Ashok Gehlot has asked Kapil Sibal to not raise these issues outside of the party fora. And he's asking him कि भाई internal issues आप कैसे discuss कर रहे हैं? ऐसे time पे आपका ये comment आ रहा है. And he's not the only leader, Nupur Sharma. There are other leaders like Karti Chidambaram and Mr. Tanka who are backing Kapil Sibal. He's also not the first one. He's not the first one to be raising these issues, asking the party leadership to introspect.
Well, Swati, the fact is that, it's laughable. Please do not compare today's congressmen to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. Please, I'm sorry. मैं हाथ जोड़ के आपसे विनती कर रही हूँ. इतनी हमारे grades की इतनी बेइज्जती ना करें. Fact of the matter is, you have seen, I read the entire interview of Mr. Kapil Sibal. He also laments that this nomination system is an undoing for the Congress party. Well, it's an internal business. But you also know, whenever there was an election that was being tried, one person who took on the great Mata Sonia Gandhi, his lungi was tried to be pulled. He was locked up in a room. The other person who tried to take up, we remember he's an ex-minister, current Congress politician's father, late father. How there were whispers and there were murmurs everywhere. How he died an unnatural death within 6 months of trying to take on Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. So you all know what the future of anybody wanting to electorally take on any Gandhi family scion is going to, the future that he or she is going to meet. And that's the reality. So much so, forget everybody. So much so, a former Prime Minister, C.V. Narasimha Rao ji. You remember the man's dead body was not even allowed to enter the Congress party headquarters for the general public or the the Karyakartas, the volunteers of the party to pay last respect. So Congress is a party which actually revolves around the nucleus. And the fact is, the current scion is not really interested. He's ineffective. He lacks talent and potential. Everybody knows that. He jets off to a holiday in between Bihar election, and the day they lose again, they jet off to another location for a holiday. So yeah, like I said, politically distanced party hai. Inko koi
but the Parivar is losing that charisma. The Parivar is losing that charisma, Ravi Srivastava. Their own leaders are questioning them. 6 साल हो गए. कब आप introspect करेंगे? और Kapil Sibal is saying this is not business as usual. Maybe the leadership thinks that way, but the leadership needs to introspect now.
The Congress party was not formed today or 10 years or 20 years before. Some parties were born 40 years before and they are trying to lecture. This is a 135-year-old party and they have seen lot of ups and downs. And they do reinvent several times. It has happened in past also.
But that,
now
but the leader who we are talking about here, Ravi Srivastava, is part of that very grand old party. Kapil Sibal.
I am asking one question.
It is Kapil Sibal who is showing mirror to the Gandhis.
It's not about the electoral this power grabbing system. Congress is a thought process which is ingrained in the minds of the Indians. It is not an electoral victory. And what is
But when you say that, it's very interesting when you say that. It's very interesting when you say that, because yes, it's not just about the electoral battle, Prafulla Ketkar, when those 23 leaders and some before them also wrote to the leadership, they wanted organizational changes. They said, let's have structural changes.
Because it's not a Modi Shah concentration camp.
अरे सर, तो फिर चेंजेस क्यों नहीं किए? तो फिर अपने लीडर्स की बात क्यों नहीं सुनी? नहीं तो अपने लीडर्स की बात क्यों? You may call names. You may call names. Okay, fine. फिर अपने लीडर्स की बात क्यों नहीं सुनी? प्रफुल्ल केतकर.
Godse worshippers, I do not. I mean, Congress.
Please, Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, please. I asked you a specific question. उसी पर रहिए, please. Debate derail मत कीजिए. No, I won't allow that. Prafulla Ketkar.
This Congress Chalisa and Gandhi Chalisa is over.
हाँ.
First of all, be very clear about this. These, the Darbaris of Delhi, who have nothing to do either with the original Congress thought or the freedom struggle, are responsible for the moral victory syndrome of Congress. Please try and understand. They ensure, I am of the conviction that we need a national party as opposition party. We should not have Maoists like Ravi Srivastava in opposition. We should not have PFI like elements in opposition. We should not have Oasis like element in our opposition.
Okay,
Regional
gentlemen.
parties are not capable enough to give a credible
Okay,
opposition.
gentlemen, no name
We
calling,
need a
please.
national level opposition party,
name calling,
and that's why Congress has to introspect.
Okay.
But forget about Kapil Sibal. What happened to 22 people who wrote a letter? Where are they? What happened to Mr. Sanjay Jha, who just raised a question on leadership issue? What happened to his spokes? He was
Mr. Mishra, you can't deny that.
Person of Congress. If somebody is talking that Congress has a tradition of dialogue, what happened to Mr. Sanjay Jha?
You cannot deny
Why
that,
this
Mr. Mishra.
intolerance within the party? Why there is no
Ashutosh Mishra, you can't
communication?
deny that.
Why the cadre is frustrated? These are the
अगर
questions
आप
people are asking
सवाल
within the
उठाएंगे,
Congress.
तो आपको बाहर का रास्ता दिखा दिया जाएगा.
Darbaris always will
अगर आप criticize करेंगे, तो आपको बाहर का रास्ता दिखा दिया जाएगा.
their own
If you write a letter to the leadership, if you're seeking changes, if you ask them to introspect, then there are those who would say, relax, do not raise these issues publicly, and they would run to shield dynasty. That is the 1 second, Ravi Srivastava, continuously आप अपनी बात रख रहे हैं, पूरा डिबेट डिरेल हो रहा है, थोड़ा डिसरप्शन कम कीजिए, थोड़ा सा प्लीज, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ. आशुतोष मिश्रा.
So if you, Praful was just asking the question of what happened to those 23 people. So many of them were given roles during these elections. I think he's unaware of that. Congress is a democratic party.
Sorry,
and
most of them have lost their position. Why Sanjay Jha was removed? Why
So he asked you about Sanjay Jha.
Just heard about
Why
Bihar,
Sanjay Jha was
and this
removed?
man will keep jumping like this because coming back to Bihar, I hope someone in the BJP has the guts to show the mirror to Mr. Modi that under his leadership they have come second to Tejaswi. That the number of votes their vote
sir.
share has been decreasing ever since 2019.
Okay.
But nobody in BJP will have that guts to go
Okay.
and tell Mr. Modi that
Please.
always about
एक बार आशुतोष मिश्रा जी, please respond to one specific question. We will talk about guts. ठीक है. आशुतोष मिश्रा जी, please relax. We will talk about guts. किसमें कितना दम, all that we'll talk about.
second-rate player.
Mr. Prafulla Ketkar asked you about Sanjay Jha. He said, and he tried to tell you that, sir, if you criticize the leadership, you'll be shown the door. What do you have to say about Sanjay Jha? What happened to him?
Or even Khushbu Sundar.
Yeah. बोलिए sir.
Whom are you asking me?
Yeah, of course.
Sachin Pilot.
No, see, Swati, I will tell you. The communication
Sanjay Jha.
as a line, and that is, and the entire Gandhi Vadra family is, safe from that, and this Darbari will ensure that the dynasty of
हर चीज में you can't hide behind the BJP excuse. You can't hide behind the BJP excuse because here,
I am not a
no,
BJP spokesperson.
because here your own leaders are questioning you, sir.
About the Congress culture.
आशुतोष मिश्रा, are you saying कपिल सिब्बल भी बीजेपी के बिहाफ पे आपसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? ये अपनी पार्टी से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं।
कपिल सिब्बल कम से कम सवाल तो पूछ पा रहे
नहीं,
हैं।
हर चीज संजय झा को तो आपने मौका भी नहीं दिया।
पूछ सके
संजय झा को तो आपने मौका भी नहीं दिया।
लेकिन जो पूछे गए सवाल है उनके जवाब तक
नहीं, संजय झा को तो आपने डायलॉग का मौका नहीं दिया। अरे सर, आप
सवाल तो पूछ पा
ठीक
रहे
है,
हैं।
अब आप नूपुर से जवाब लीजिए, लेकिन आई कम बैक टू यू बिकॉज आई वुड अगेन वांट टू आस्क यू कि क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी में सवाल पूछे जाने पर पार्टी में कोई प्रमोशन होता है या कोई स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट मिलती है? आपको कहा जाता है कि आप बाहर निकल जाइए?
I think Mr. Mishra did not actually read what Mr. Sibal said in his interview. He said I was one of the signatories, the 23 signatories who actually sent that letter to CWC, and because it's a nominated body, nobody actually even discussed the letter in the CWC. So Mr. Mishra, I don't know where you're getting your news from. Maybe you should have read Mr. Sibal's interview. It was in the papers, publicized था, पढ़ के आना चाहिए था. Now I want to teach you.
आप भी अखबार में पढ़ के आती तो आपको मालूम होता कि उन 23 लोगों में से कई लोगों के लिए कोई जो है इम्पोर्टेंट रोल दिए गए थे इलेक्शन में। पढ़ के
ठीक
आया
है,
करिए।
अभी आपने एक सवाल पूछा था, अभी जवाब लीजिए।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, सो इम्पोर्टेंट दैट सचिन पायलट को नकारा निकम्मा करके साइड में बिठा दिया. सो इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू लॉस्ट ज्योतिरादित्य शिंदे हैपेंस टू बी द बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ मिस्टर राहुल गांधी. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू लॉस्ट खुशबू सुंदर आल्सो, यू लॉस्ट
ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया इज द सेम पर्सन जिसको आप कहते थे कि वो जो है ट्रेडर का डीएनए है.
दिस इज नॉट फेयर. Swati, I did not heckle this man. He may be a Congress lackey, does not mean he'll speak over me.
अरे आप बीजेपी लाठी हैं, आपको मिल गया।
Okay, guys, relax. Let her finish.
लाठी क्यों समझती हैं?
No, Ashutosh ji, please let her finish her point.
आपकी फितरत होगी।
Ashutosh ji, please.
I'm official spokesperson of the BJP, not heckler.
वो लाठी को स्पोक्सपर्सन बनाया
You
जाता
are
है।
a lackey. I am a spokesperson.
हाँ, लाठी को स्पोक्सपर्सन बनाया जाता है, जो अच्छा लाठी होता है।
Come back to the debate, please. Come back to the debate.
जाता है इंडिपेंडेंट
स्पोक्सपर्सन बनाने के प्रोसेस को हम डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं, प्लीज. यस, नूपुर, फिनिश योर पॉइंट.
कभी जब बन के आएंगे, when he'll be official, then I'll argue with him. Why follow lackey?
Okay, finish.
The fact is,
लाठी बन रही हो ना।
आशुतोष जी.
we can match.
So, how are you allowing a spokesperson instead of talking about the fact?
I am constantly saying, no name calling, please. I am constantly saying, let's not make it personal. नहीं, आशुतोष जी.
ये हथकंडा मोदी जी के साथ चलता है।
आशुतोष जी, प्लीज, आशुतोष जी.
उसको अडॉप्ट करने का हक
उनको
नहीं
अपना
है।
पॉइंट फिनिश करने दीजिए, जो कि डिबेट से रिलेटेड है, टॉपिक से रिलेटेड है. फिर मैं आपसे काउंटर लूंगी.
Well,
Yes.
this is the reason why they don't even win elections, Swati. What he just did on the television right now is the reason why they're so far removed from the ground realities that no voter would actually come out and vote for them because
And you
they don't
still keep
actually
talking,
resonate
you
with them.
still keep
But I
talking
want
about
to come
people
to
whom you think
RJD.
that
Now,
voters
when I
have
come to
rejected.
RJD,
Why are you so
RJD
obsessed
actually
with these
contested
people
more
then?
seats in 2020 Bihar elections and got less number of wins. Because if he doesn't know, it got 80 seats when it got some 18.8% vote share.
Yeah, one second.
Seats in 2015 elections.
Yes, in a minute.
Whereas the same BJP contested 144 seats in 2015 and the entire NDA got 58 seats. But the same BJP contested 110 seats in 2020 and actually got some 75, 74.
Okay.
So, sir, if
And its vote share has come down by 5%.
Okay, expanding its base in Bihar. That was the question you asked, Ashutosh Mishra, and that has been settled by Nupur. Let's come back. We were discussing. Hello, we were discussing Congress. 1 second, we are not discussing Bihar elections. We are discussing Congress party here and what Kapil Sibal has said. Yes, Ravi Srivastava is finding backers in the party. There, in fact, are a lot of netas who feel exactly the same way.
That may be Mr. Kapil Sibbal's opinion, but there is nothing to debate about it. That somebody can ask him that what Mr. Sibbal did to Chandni Chowk, from where he was elected, how many years he has been serving the particular constituency. There are several questions can be asked, and punching Rahul Gandhi repeatedly will not serve any purpose.
So that is, that is the problem, Ravi Srivastava.
Who is Rahul Gandhi?
In the last 6 years, everything is included, no? Chandni Chowk is included. Chandni Chowk is included. When he says last 6 years, it's all included. And he's rooting for the Congress party.
Okay.
No, he's rooting for the Congress party. Are you not even supposed to point out to your leadership that, see, what is happening with us? We've become a sinking ship. And we're also taking down others with us. Everybody who's on board is going down the drain.
The leadership very well knows it. Congress has reinvented several times and it will again reinvent it. And the people are now subscribing to this ideology of the Congress again and again.
Okay,
You
but then that
reported
should have-
that BJP should know.
In that case, Praful Ketkar, I think these questions should not have been raised then by their own leaders. It's not just Kapil Sibal. There were 23 of them who wrote that letter. There are a whole lot others who are not speaking at this point in time, but do extend their support to these leaders who are highlighting the issues to the leadership.
So they can highlight it. I said there is not a concept.
Yeah, but there are others who are asking them to keep quiet.
Mr. Ravi Srivastava,
There are
please keep
others who are
mum.
asking them to keep quiet as well.
Please keep mum.
Rahul
You are
Gandhi
not
lost
alone
the
here.
19 election and he resigned
Please,
immediately.
please.
He owned the
Praful
responsibility.
Ketkar wants to come in.
Swati, please don't.
Praful
make this a
Ketkar wants to come in.
person.
He immediately.
Ravi ji,
He doesn't
Ravi ji,
want to-
please,
he
Praful
doesn't
Ketkar
want
wants to come in.
discuss. He does just want to disrupt.
Okay, Praful Ketkar.
Why do you get such nonsensical person? I don't understand.
Arey,
See, the
what are
simple
you?
thing is,
You are
Congress,
a nonsensical
as far as the
person.
leadership
You
is
are-
concerned,
Okay, please
ideology
relax.
is concerned, and organization is concerned. All these three critical fronts, Congress is in a confusion state since Mr. Rahul Gandhi came on the board and took over the realms of the, at the helm of the affairs. And since then, there is a confusion persisting in the Congress party and there is no clarity. Even after 6 years, if Congress is not ready to introspect and Congress is not ready to even discuss these issues on its own forum, simply because there are people like Darbari sitting in this studio or in many, think tanks in Delhi, who will always tell that dynasty is above scrutiny. And this unaccountability of Sonia, Rahul, Priyanka, kind of leadership, that has given a model to even many regional satraps who consider their families beyond any scrutiny. And we have seen that in the case of even Samajwadi Party. And eventually you will see that even in case of Tejasvi Yadav.
Okay.
This is the mindset that Congress culture has, and that's why when Prime Minister said after Bihar elections that, when he said,
So why is BJP today adopting so many? I mean, why are they getting people from Congress? You don't have your own people. You are the Nagpur Darbaris who were Charak with no experience in sense and made Chief Minister of Gujarat just because he is Darbari of Nagpur. And you today need Jyotiraditya Scindia. You need people in Gujarat from Congress. Instead of Congress, Mukt Bharat is becoming Congress Mukt BJP.
Ashutosh Mishra, you have to ultimately admit and acknowledge the fact that it's your own leaders of the Congress party who are not satisfied, who are not content with the way the party is moving forward. They are not happy with the leadership. They are expressing their concerns. Some have already left the Congress party. There are others who are still rooting for the party, who still want structural changes, who are not quitting the party at this point in time, who just want the leadership to introspect. And ultimately, it's your own leaders who are not satisfied with the way the party is moving forward, like I said. And that's why the Congress will have to at least introspect for their own leaders. Ravi Srivastava, Ashutosh Mishra, Nupur Sharma and Prafulla Ketkar, thank you very much for joining us here on debate number 2. With that, it's a wrap on News Hour at 10. And thank you to our viewers for watching us.